Evening everyone. Good evening ma'am. Uh, our topic is all about the profession of Filipino nationalism in the Filipinization of the government. So first, I am to discuss you are the introduction of our topic. So first, the late 19th and early 20th centuries were critical period the Philippine history. The late 19th and early 20th centuries a turning point in the Philippine history because it was that Filipinos began to strongly fight for their freedom and the national identity. After more than 30 years and under Spanish rule, many Filipinos had become educated and aware of the justices happening in the country. To the risk of the reform uh, movements such as the propaganda movement, which call of the equal rights prevention in the Spanish government and social reforms. So next is profession of Filipino nationalism. During Spanish rule, nationalist um, movements and began through reformist groups like the propaganda movement and the revolutionary Katipunan. During Spanish rule, Filipino nationalism started to grow as the people began to seek reforms and freedom from the colonial oppression. The propaganda movement like Jose Rizal, Marcelo H. Del Pilar, and Graciano Lopez from peaceful reform, equal rights, and the protection in the Spanish government. However, when this peaceful effort failed, the Katipunan, founded by Andres Bonifacio, was formed to fight for independence revolution, making stiff from reformed armed resistance. Second, propaganda movement and revolutionary Katipunan. The propaganda movement was a peaceful effort by educated Filipinos as the industry does to seek reforms from the Spanish government. Between 1972 and 1982, leaders like Jose Rizal, Marcelo Del Pilar, and Graciano Lopez Gianna used writing and publications such as the Solidaridad Holy Mi Tanghiri and El Filibusterismo to expose injustices, promote the equality, demand Filipinos representation in the Spanish truth. It did not bring significant change. The movement our national among Filipinos and inspired the creation by the revolutionary group Katipunan, which later for independence from Spanish truth armed struggle. Next is Revolutionary Katipunan by Andres Bonifacio. 1992 was a secret organization that armed to gain Philippines independence from Spanish rule. Through revolution, revolution, its member called Katipunan united under the ideas from freedom, to act sparking the Philippines Revolution. This the beginning of the Filipinos' fight for the national independence and the end of the centuries of Spanish colonial control. Next is Spain suppressed this movement through three types of suppressed this movement through. First is the exposed stick censorship, banning newspaper, books, and writings that promoted reform to criticism by government. This was means of silence no intellectuals and prevent the spread of national ideas. Second, the second is also executed by most of nationalist leaders such as Dr. Jose Rizal was the executed by N1990 Filipinos truth in writing to seek reform and freedom. Last is finally Spain brutal campaigns in the agent of the Katipunan and other revolutionary groups using force and history their basis in the capture their members. The action were the intended to crush of the revolution, but the fully Filipino anger the struggle and the desire of for independence. The last one is the last one during American rule. During American rule, this is to weaken the Filipinos nationalism by revolution or as criminals, promoting education and development to gain support and controlling the media to stop people from demanding independence.